How to fix screen aspect ratio in Windows 11. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, come below at the search bar of your PC, then type in Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Here you will see Display Adapters. Double click onto it, you will see all your displays. Right click onto your display and update the driver. Scan automatically. Close this. Repeat the same process for your second driver as well. Update the driver, search automatically for drivers. Once done, close this. Now again come below at the search bar of your PC, then type in Display Settings. Open your display settings. Here under Scale and Layout, you will see Scale. Make sure that this is up to Recommended, and also make sure the display resolution is till Recommended section. Once it is so, click on Advanced Display, and here make sure this is to 60s. Once it's all done, restart your device and that shall definitely fix your problem. That is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.